Are anti-static precautions essential when building a PC? Imagine spending hours choosing the perfect graphics card, CPU, and motherboard only to have static electricity damage them during assembly. That would be frustrating, right? When building a computer, especially a gaming PC, protecting your parts from static electricity is very important. Static electricity, or electrostatic discharge, happens when a buildup of electrical charge on your body or environment suddenly transfers to sensitive electronic parts. This tiny transfer can cause immediate damage or weaken the components over time. Components like the central processing unit, random access memory, motherboard, and graphics card are very sensitive to static. Even a small static shock that you might not even notice can fry microchips or reduce their lifespan. This can lead to system crashes, instability, or the need to replace expensive parts. To prevent this, simple precautions are recommended. Wearing an anti-static wrist strap that grounds you to a safe point is a good idea. This strap connects to a grounded metal object or the case of the computer. Using an anti-static mat on your work surface helps keep static away from your components. Always work on a clean, hard surface like a wooden or metal table instead of carpet or fabric, which generate static. Touching a grounded metal object or the case of the PC frequently during assembly helps discharge static from your body. Avoid wearing synthetic clothing like polyester, which can increase static buildup. These precautions are low cost and easy to do, but they can save you from costly repairs later. If you live in a dry environment, static buildup is more common, so extra care is wise. Some experienced builders just touch the metal case regularly to ground themselves, but using wrist straps and mats adds an extra layer of safety. Protecting your high-performance parts from static electricity during the build process is a smart move. It ensures your gaming PC runs smoothly and lasts longer, saving you time and money. Remember, taking these simple steps is a small effort for big peace of mind.